गिर ड्रैगन फ्रूट फार्म चित्रावड़ गिर सलीम कासम भाई चोरठिया चित्रावड़ सांगोदरा रोड पर આપણું ફાર્મ આવેલું છે જોઈ શકો ફ્લાવરિંગ ગરમીના હિસાબે પીરા પડી ગયા છે ખૂબ સારું ફ્લાવરિંગ છે ટોટલી ગાય આધારિત ખેતી નો કેમિકલ નો ફર્ટિલાઇઝર only for cow dung cow urine last 5 years we are making ourselves all pesticide fungicide in tree leaves buttermilk jaggery and other bacterial product use and also use Gopal Sutria Richards bacteria Gau Krupa Amrutam. You see the result of Prakritik farming, natural farming. Very nice flowering. See the looking good. One pole minimum, maximum flowering 30 to 40 flower. This fruit possible to reap 30 to 14 dragon fruit in one pole. All pole, you know, you see all pole is good flowering. And this fruit is very healthy. Increase hemoglobin only 1 week. And also stomach clear in 4 to 5 days. You eat every day and 4 to 5 days your stomach is clean. So anybody order, please contact me. My mobile number 8511001262. Gir Dragon Fruit Farm, Chitrawad Gir, Chitrawad Sangodra Road, near the road. It's a beautiful farm, you see. All is flowering, very nice seeing flowering. And early morning, very nice looking, beautiful flower is very nice looking morning time. So maybe tomorrow I take a video in the flowering morning. So you see how is beautiful farm. Okay, thank you.